Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix the fast charging not working in your OPPO Reno 15. So, the first thing that I should recommend checking in your device, if you do have any debris in your USB Type-C port over here. This is the charging port, and here, if you do have any debris, try to clean it with a non-metallic tool and without any liquids. Just try to use non-metallic tool and just clean your charging port. If you want to know how to clean charging port, you can try searching for this video. It's probably recorded by our recorders in the company. If it isn't, I'm sorry, but we don't have that much time in this video. I want to show you quick solutions. Apart from that, ensure that you use the official OPPO cable and adapters. Some companies use only their certified chargers and support only their certified chargers when it comes to the fast charging. For example, if your base's charger is not supported by your OPPO device, even though it has 120 watts, for example, it won't support the fast charging this 80 watts. As for the cable, check if it has any damage, check if it supports just that fast charging, if it's not cheap, if it's not Chinese made, for example, in bought on AliExpress, etc, etc. If not, what I do recommend doing is to open your settings in your device, and once you are in the settings over here, scroll down to the battery. Now scroll down till you see the charging settings over here and enable smart rapid charging. Make sure that this is enabled. Charge your device faster using a genuine power adapter and a cable. The device may get warmer during charging. Make sure this is enabled, and if you had this enabled, disable it, restart your device, and then make sure that this is enabled. Apart from that, you need to contact device support because your battery may be broken and it just doesn't want. It just protects you from, for example, exploding or something like that by limiting the power transfer. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.